If you are confused about starting or transitioning your job into a remote work style, then make sure to watch these videos because I will be sharing some platforms and tools that can help you start your remote job hunt. It's okay to be jealous of those people who work from different locations, different cities, different countries, but it's not okay to just sit back and dream about it and not take any action. Today, I will make sure that you narrow down your search and only focus on the right platforms and tools. After the lockdown and COVID, it has become very clear that the future of work is remote. Hi, welcome to my channel. I am Shreya and I'm a digital nomad. I started my remote work journey as a product and project manager and I have not been to a physical office for the last 4 years. So let's not waste time and let's get started. The first one is online job boards. One of the easiest ways to find a remote job is by exploring job boards that are dedicated specifically to the remote jobs only. Websites like remote.co, FlexJobs, and Indeed have dedicated sections which only cater to the people who are looking for remote jobs and the employers who are offering remote opportunities. Simply create your attractive profile, look for the relevant jobs, and get started with your applications. These platforms typically have advanced interfaces and really friendly filters so that you can narrow down your job search. For example, if you're looking for only UI or UX jobs or only project management jobs, it will give you the results accordingly. Second is remote work websites. There are numerous websites that are dedicated to just remote job opportunities. Websites like Remote OK, Remote Hub, and Virtual Vocations curate job opportunities from different industries and sources, and they allow you to search based on your preferences. These platforms make it easy for you to search for your job based on your skills and your interests. Third, LinkedIn job search. All of us know about this one, but did you know there's a filter where you can set your job location to be completely remote or hybrid? Make sure that your LinkedIn profile is always up to date. Also show your experience if you have already worked in some remote friendly companies. That will show that you already have some experience of working remotely and that will get you more opportunities. There are also lots of groups on LinkedIn that are dedicated to remote work opportunities, so make sure to check those out too. So all of these learnings that I'm sharing are based on my experiences and learnings from my job hunt, so make sure that you like the video if you found any value from it. Fourth, remote friendly company websites. A lot of the companies have gone completely remote and you can find their list online very easily. You can go to the page where they list their careers and then apply there. These companies are great to work at because they already have their remote friendly policies in place and they already have a great infrastructure which you can simply join in. So make sure that you optimize your CV based on the opening that you're applying for and then go ahead and apply. Number 5, freelancing platforms. If you prefer to be more flexible and project based and you can also experiment a little bit on the work style, then I would highly suggest going for platforms like Upwork, Guru, Freelancer, and Fiverr. All of these platforms have gigs based on your skills, based on your experiences, and you can simply apply for them and get those jobs. You can also look for short-term jobs which can last for a few days or weeks, and also you can go for longer-term jobs which can be even more than 6 months long. Number 6, remote work communities and online forums. These days, there are a lot of Facebook groups that are dedicated to just remote work opportunities and that to belonging to a certain niche. For example, you can look for Facebook groups which are UI, UX, remote jobs, or say project management or business analysis remote jobs, and you can easily find international opportunities there. So make sure that you don't miss out on them because they are very focused and niche, and you can easily find and connect with people who might be offering job and also looking for similar jobs, and you can connect and engage in that community. With determination and clarity in your head, you can easily find a remote job, and I wish you all the best for your remote job hunt journey. Thank you for watching my video. Bye-bye.